Hello. Okay, one more time. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Jasper.
What about you? What's your name?
Nathan.
And you? Okay, we gotta go. Okie dokie.
You make the car. You make the car wet, Daddy.
What?
I see some drips on the car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on tight on the handle, John, because we're not wearing seatbelts. Okay. So hold on to the handle. Okay.
Yeah, that's your handle right there. Anyway.
Yes, is the trueno car. Daddy, don't trip.
Huh?
Don't trip. Because we're not wearing seatbelts. Yeah. Don't drift, okay? I like this car, Daddy.
You like this car?
Yeah, I like it. I don't want to hear the sound of it.
Why?
No, cover your ears first, and then if it's on already, take it.
Oh, I forgot the radio. There you go.
Radio?
Okay, let me see.
The VCR?
No, not VCR.
Radio? I like it. I cannot hear it. Hold on to the handle. Okay. Pretend we're in a roller coaster.
Like
But not a fast one, a slow one.
Vivian, go sit down. Straight. Don't hold that bar. No, don't hold it.
Why?
Because police will see you guys. Wear seatbelt, okay?
I like my seatbelt.
Wear seatbelt.
My seatbelt's not working. Daddy, we're dying already. Only my seatbelt.
Quiet. Just gonna warm it up really quick.
Well, some of the crowd are on the...
Not the sun. You wanna hold the video? Okay. You can ready. This car got a power window also. This is the fan switch, momo pedal, quick release, some gauges, temperature and water temp, and battery. Old school Pioneer. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait. Okay, don't just sit tight. Sit tight. short shifter. Okay, maybe next week I'm gonna change the muffler.
I know, because it's really loud.
Huh? Yeah.
Next time, don't drive fast.
Oh, okay. No, I'm just warming up the car because I haven't driven the car for a long time.
We're going to lay down.
When was the last time you see this car?
2009.
2009? Yeah. Now what is it now? March? I mean April?
2010.
April 2010.
This car's getting more older.
Huh?
This car's getting older, isn't it?
Yeah, car's getting older.
Like a grandpa.
Like what? Like grandpa?
Yeah. This car's becoming a grandpa now. It's gonna be a grandpa car.
I wish I have the camera mount
And then
because I'm holding the camera.
Mommy's car's gonna be a grandma.
Oh yeah? Okay, give me a second.
Mommy had it from a long time ago.
How many minutes? 7 minutes. Well, I gotta... Okay, this is part 1. Part 2. Next.